Good morning and welcome, people, bots and algos of the interwebs. This is the Monday edition of the Analyst. Today we're going to be talking about always on data encryption. Encrypting data that SQL Server stores provides the most secure method of data storage. With always on encryption, SQL Server encryption and decryption keys are kept outside of the server, either in Windows user certificates or Azure Vault. This means SQL Server does not store unencrypted data values. All data values are encrypted. Values are encrypted before they are sent to the server and after the server, and they are decrypted when they are received. If anyone were to obtain a copy of your data, it would be useless without the encryption keys. So I'm going to demonstrate this using the city and state fields of the guest table in the London hotel database. Right click, encrypt columns, next. We are going to be using the city and state because there are no credit card details in the London database yet. So we have two encryption types, deterministic and randomized. Deterministic, the same result for a given input, meaning if you put A, you will always get Z. Even if you put B, A, B, C, D, you will always get Z. The same result for a given input, even though SQL Server does not know the original data or what the original data was. When randomized, you can put A, you'll get C. You can put A again, you'll get B. You can put A, you'll get Z. Randomized is more secure option, but it prevents searching, joining, or indexing based off the columns. Select deterministic, click next. Click yes, there are existing keys. Next. Proceed now. Click next. This is a summary of the columns that would be encrypted, and yes, all encryption and decryption happens client side. When it's done, we can review the details here, and it looks like everything passed, so that's great. For users with the right permissions, the data can be decrypted once they do a select statement. The wizard created a master key for my Windows login account. It might be a good idea to just experiment a bit more. Okay, so close. So let's disconnect, reconnect. I'm going to enter my password. Okay. So select top 1000 rows. Okay. Well, I seem to have always encrypted on. Let's disconnect. Let's reconnect. Always encrypted was enabled. Disable that. Reconnect. Relog in. Let's rerun the statement.